Hello, third graders. Okay, this is math message for lesson 1-4. On a separate piece of paper, a whiteboard, whatever you're using, I want you to do this first problem, 28 plus 37. And look at over here is our unit box. And it says pencils. So when we think of this problem, we can think of it as adding pencils. 28 pencils plus 37 pencils is what? This is our unit. It's what we're measuring in. And if we were going to put labels, we would put whatever the answer is and pencils. Okay, so right now go ahead and do 28 plus 37. Put me on pause until you have an answer, and then you can unpause me. Okay, if you are back, that means you have an answer for this, and we should have gotten 65. Now, there is a few different ways we could have done this, so I'm going to go through a few with you. One could have been partial sums. I could have said that this 28 is like adding 20 plus 8, right? Because 20 plus 8 is 28. And I could have said this 37 is like adding 30. And maybe you see where I'm going with this, plus 7, because 30 plus 7 gives us this 37. So when I go to the side, I could add up my 20s and my 30s. So I could go 20 plus 30. What is 20 plus 30? Well, I know 2 plus 3 is 5, so 20 plus 30 is 50. Okay, and then what is 8 plus 7? Well, 8 plus 7, I know 7 plus 7 is 14, and if 8 is one more than 7, then my answer must be 15. Good. Now, since I broke apart, let's see, here's my 20, here's my 20, here's my 30, here's my 30, and then I have my 8 and my 7 and my 8 and my 7. So since I broke apart this problem and it's still 28 plus 37, we just broke it apart. Now I have to add my two answers up. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6, because remember, we always start in our ones place, and then we go over to our tens place and add. So my answer is 65. What's another way we could have done this? Could I have taken 2 from 37 and made it 35? Oops, let's make that a nice 3. 35. And I could have added the 2. If I took away 2, I'm going to add 2 to this side. 28 plus 2, 28. Let's see, count. 29, 30. Oh, are those easier numbers to add? Look at that. 30 plus 35 would get me to 65. Great. Try using one of those strategies now to complete 49 plus 18. Go ahead and put me on pause until you have the answer, and then unpause me and we'll talk about it. Okay, if you have me unpaused, that means that you have an answer for 49 plus 18. And our answer is 67. Okay, if you didn't have that one, we're working through it. Some possible strategies. What could we have done? Well, what can we break apart 49 into like we did there? Well, I could do a nice number, and I could go 40 plus 9, right? I could break it apart, 40 plus 9, and 18 could be 10 plus 8. Then I would add my 40 and 50 on the side. 40 and 10. Oh, I just gave you the answer, didn't I? My 40 and my 10. Well, what's 10 more than 40? It's going to be 50. And then now I'll take my two small single numbers. 9 plus 8. Well, my fact pair, 8 plus 8, I know is 16. So if 9 is one more than 8, what's one more than 16? 17. And then we'll add our 50 plus 17, always starting in our one spot. We line these up nicely. 0 plus 7 is, well, 0 plus anything is that number, so it's 7. And 5 plus 1 is 6, so our answer is 67. We could also use rounding. What would 50 round to? Remember, we look at this ones place, and it determines if we keep the 4 the same, if we let it rest, or if we round it up to a 5 to make 50. If it is 4 or less, so if it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, If it's 4 or less, we let it rest. If it's 5 or more, so if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we raise the score. 5 or more, we raise the score. Well, 9 is more than 5, so 5 or more, we raise the score. That means that we have to round this number up. So if I round that one to 50 plus, and let's take a look at 18. Are we going to round the 1 and keep it the same, or are we going to round it up? Is it 4 or less? Is 8 4 or less? Is it 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0? Nope. It's 5 or more, so we're going to raise the score. So that one goes up to 20. So my answer is going to be about 70. Well, let's see. I did 2 more here, right? I added 2 more to get to 20. And I added 1 more to get to 50. So if I added 1, 2, 3, now I have to take away 3. So 7 minus 3 is 67. Awesome. Take a picture of your completed work and send it in onto your teachers. And let's go to Math Journal page 1-4.